What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new and you've never seen my face before, hi, my name is Ash and this is my channel, Living Ash. You guys, I have a new scent for you and I'm really excited because I wasn't expecting this. Like, I just like to go to the mall on a daily and just look around, see what's there, and Victoria's Secret came out with a brand new scent. At least it's new to me. And it is called the Lavender and Vanilla Relax, and it's beautiful. But I want to talk a little bit about the store first. Okay, so I always say the sale is gonna get better, especially like towards the ending, right? So the sale's gonna be over in about a week or so, and the sale's getting better. The lotion and the fragrance mist were only $5.99, which I said I wasn't gonna buy unless they were $3.99 or lower than $5.99, because I know it will get lower. They want to get that inventory out, so of course I waited it out. There wasn't really anything that I wanted for real. Like, if it was a scent that I just genuinely was like, I need, of course I would have picked it up, then tried to get like a price adjustment or something. But otherwise, I didn't do it. I didn't buy anything. And if you are wondering why I haven't done like a huge Victoria's Secret haul, it's because I haven't seen anything that I like, and I like to genuinely come on here and talk about things that I like and things that I was excited to get, and not just getting stuff to have a haul, because we don't do that here, okay? No. One thing about the store, when you go into the store, they have a lot of different things going on, and I had to show you guys. So I'm gonna take you guys into the store with me, and then we're gonna come back and talk about this lovely scent right here and whether you should get it or not. So everything is $4.99 in stores right now, so you can get the lotion or fragrance mist of your choice for $4.99. They were at $5.99 for the first week, and now they have dropped down. Towards the end of the sale, I predict most of everything that's left will be $3.99. That's usually just what happens. Sometimes even $2.99. It's been that good before. This Before the Rain is actually new, and a subscriber told me that that was a good scent, but I actually didn't pick it up. They have some lip gloss on sale for $3.99. I was like, okay, cool, I guess, but I don't know. Again, more $4.99 scents. None of these are really catching my eye, I'll be honest with you. I'm just not a fan right now, so I didn't pick up any of these. And I wanted to show you the 2 for $20. These over here are just always in the store. I'm guessing they're kind of slept on or underrated in a sense, but going around, they have some 60% off. A lot of these were only 50% off during the beginning of the sale. These hand sanitizers are $4.99. Dang, I was walking so fast, you guys. Don't mind me. This is so funny to see what I was doing. I was so confused in the store. But this is when I saw the new scent that they had come out with. This is the Lavender and Vanilla. And I'm going to be giving you guys a better look because I started going crazy in the store after I saw this. So this is what it looks like. The Lavender and Vanilla Relax. Beautiful. I was so taken back by it. I really don't know if there's going to be more coming out with this, or if it's part of like this collection over here, which I'm thinking it is. But the fact that the packaging has a little bit more of a design, I love it. And that it says 24-hour moisture. I'm going to be talking a little bit more with you guys about it, but I also wanted to show you the rest of the $4.99 fragrances and this citrus and pear scent. I'm hearing that it's actually really good, and I can't lie. For the price of $4.99, I would try it out. They have a scrub, they have the body lotion, they have also, what is it? I think there was like a body wash, I think. So yeah, it was a body wash, and for $4.99 I really almost picked it up. But let's get into my commentary. Next to that citrus and pear scent, they have this here, and this is again the Lavender and Vanilla Relax. This says 24-hour moisture, and I don't think a lot of their lotions say that, but let me double check. Okay, I just went to get some of their lotion, and I just wanted to compare, of course, just to see if there's any differences. And this is actually a newer scent as well. This is the Wonderland Woods Ice Leaves and Blooms, and all it says is fragrant moisturizing body lotion. And this one is Peony Crush, my world, my baby, fragrance lotion parfum. So I guess these are not 24-hour moisture, they're just here for the smell and for the look, I guess. So these are the two that I have that I just wanted to compare. This new Lavender and Vanilla Relax. So I'm thinking this is like an aromatherapy type of thing, but this one is 24-hour moisture hydrating body lotion with shea butter, and coconut oil, which I'm like, okay. It says hydrating body lotion, relax with the scent of lavender and vanilla, silky 24-hour moisture with shea butter and coconut oil, leaves skin feeling soft and scented. So you guys, I don't pick up things just to pick it up, because if something is not that good, I don't pick it up at all. I like this one. This one is Ash approved, and I'll tell you why. I've been actually really into lavender scents and fragrances lately. It has to be a lavender that's done correctly though. I think sometimes when it's like an overly powerful lavender scent, I'm like, okay, no thank you. But this is really, really nice. However, the vanilla notes, I'm not really getting. It's in the way back, like you cannot smell it at all. But I'm a huge vanilla fan, so I was like, oh, okay. And again, this is the fragrance mist. These were like pretty limited in the store. Wasn't that many to get. And I really liked the fragrance mist when I sprayed it in the store because it smells good. This actually smells really good to me. If you like lavender though, if you're not a lavender fan, I wouldn't recommend it for you. But if you like lavender, but it's not a crazy lavender in your face kind of crazy, this one is good and it smells so nice. My gosh. This really is a relaxing lavender scent. I really like this. This is something you can wear in the morning. If you're just winding down at nighttime, this would be perfect. This does give me aromatherapy, Bath and Body Works vibes. I don't know if you guys have ever had the scent Stress Relief. That one is strong, okay? But I like it, I have it. But this isn't that. This gives me like meditation, like, but yet you could still wear it out like on the day, like, it's not very strong. I'll tell you guys that right now. I do have another lotion on, so I think pairing it with the fragrance mist will really help. I get more out of the fragrance mist than I do anything else. One thing that really got me, of course, was the packaging. I love the lavender on it. Like, you literally see the lavender on top of it. I like it because I think that vanilla really balances out that lavender scent, allowing it to be more subtle, but yet you know it's a lavender fragrance mist and lotion. It's just not crazy. I don't like when things are overdone, and I don't think the lavender in this body lotion is overdone. I also appreciate that this is 24-hour moisture. I would like to know if that's true. I did just get this today, so I don't know, but in terms of like it feeling any different than a Victoria's Secret lotion, I'm rubbing it right now to see if I feel anything different. Let me put that on my leg. Let me put some of like, let me see, like this one. I'll put some of this on my other arm. Ooh, too much. See if this is more moisturizing than anything else. It's probably gonna be more moisturizing now because I just put on so much. This one's way powerful though. This Wonderland Wood scent is super powerful, super strong. It smells like a woods. It's like pine. I get a lot of pine notes from it. So in terms of moisture, I don't know if it's really fitting that 24-hour moisture category. I'd have to wear it overnight to see, but as of right now, just a little bit I have on, it's not as moisturizing as I would want. But I never really use my Victoria's Secret or Bath and Body Works fragrances as like my main body moisture. I just don't. But I like this scent. I do, and I haven't really been feeling a lot of the fragrances Victoria's Secret has been coming out with. I really have not. So I'm impressed. I'm actually very impressed with this. I like it. I think it smells pretty. It's not like a fancy going out on a date type scent at all. But this is like an everyday, if you're just on a chill vibe, this is nice to me. It's like you want to keep smelling it because it's like, it's not too strong, but you, as soon as you smell it, it does relax you. That's actually really awesome. A lot of people are asking me as well, like, does aromatherapy work? And I think it does, because when I'm smelling this, right, it does say relax. It does feel like I want to go put this on, turn on the TV, relax, read a nice book, and chill. Like, I'm just smelling it, and it's so good. It's like a light yet calming lavender scent, and I'm with this. I'm with this 100%. However, I think right now, if you do plan on getting this right now, they are 2 for $20. and I normally don't buy things full price at Victoria's Secret. Normally one of these is like $18, I believe. Most of my Victoria's Secret lotions are like 18 and stuff like that. So right now this is $20. I got both of these for 20 bucks. I like it. It smells really good. I wanted to give you guys my opinions because a lot of you guys like to hear my opinions, and I wanted to share this. And I found this today and I was like, dang, I haven't seen this before. And I give it a 10. Moisture, I don't know. I'm not getting moisture. My skin's still a little dry. I feel like, although my skin's not really dry because I have on lotion already, but I think you need a lot. You need to put on a lot more to even get the moisture out of it. But I like this scent. Oh, if you're not a lavender fan, then baby, I can't. I don't think so. But this is good. Actually, I was talking about in my last video yesterday. I did get the scent white t-shirt from Bath and Body Works, and this actually has lavender notes. And this is also really nice, relaxing. This is more like a fresh, clean. I think I'm more motivated to start the day with this one. It doesn't necessarily relax me. It just makes me feel like, okay, I'm showered, I'm fresh, and I'm clean, and I'm gonna take on the day. This is what I get from this. But this makes me calm. This is a calming, you know that app Calm? It's like calm. I don't know. You probably don't know. This is good. This is good stuff. I'm with it. 10 out of 10. Moisture probably like a 5, 6. Victoria's Secret, I'm not gonna lie, their lotions are not the most moisturizing thing. I won't lie to you. But I like them still. Oh, this, if you can find this on like eBay, Mercari, wherever you shop, don't be afraid to buy from like eBay, because I bought so many of my fragrances that are like retired or limited edition on Mercari, and I don't regret it. Oh, this is bae. This is life. This is absolute life. Exotic Flower, Violet Petals, and Wild Kiss. If I can recommend anything to you, Peony Crush is... I adore this. I adore it so much. I haven't even used this one. I have another one that I use. I haven't even opened this because it's just that good. I can't even get the fragrance mist. That's how good it is, and people just buy it. When it's posted, it's sold out, and I'm like, I should have took advantage. I always say take advantage during these SAS sales, because you don't know when a scent is going to come back, and then you're fighting on Mercari or eBay, and you gotta pay the seller whatever they're charging. Like, it's their product. They can charge however much they want. So yeah, this is a must. But this is a good one, okay? I'm happy with this. I'm gonna try to squeeze it out again. I like this. I'm not gonna lie though, the first impression, like I'm putting it on my leg right now, and it does feel really moisturizing on my leg. And I didn't put a lot, but I don't know how long that moisture really lasts. Even though it says 24 hour, I'm gonna try it out. If you guys want an update, I will. But I like it. If you're looking for something super strong, this isn't it. But it's something that's on, and it's subtle, but it's like it's very pretty. I like it. I'm a fan. So yes, this is a yes for me, okay? And that was my little review of the Victoria's Secret fragrance called Lavender and Vanilla Relax. It is relaxing, I agree. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, make sure that you subscribe, join the family, and follow me on Instagram at ash220_ so we can interact outside of this YouTube platform, okay? And I hope that you guys are doing well, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.